My name is Jay.
And my name is Chris.
And we are the Sweet Cereal Killers, and we
back with another video. And today we are reviewing chocolate churros by Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
I am so excited, and I just can't hide it.
If you haven't already, also check out last week's video, which was the caramel and chocolate Leon cereal.
International brand cereal. But if you like these videos, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell like this
to be notified when we post a new video every Saturday, sometimes Sundays, sometimes Wednesdays.
We only dedicated ourselves to posting on Saturday, but we've been giving y'all content on every day of the week sometimes.
Yes.
When we can. But this cereal this cereal, I'm excited about this churros. I've had the regular churro cereal from Cinnamon Toast Crunch. We may have reviewed it.
Yes, the card is going to pop up.
If it did, it's up here. But
we definitely reviewed it.
I didn't think it had the same sweet. Because when you eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the sugar and cinnamon hits
that time I remember, I thought she really liked the churros cereal.
I don't recall.
I recall you really liked that
I'm gonna have to check
cereal.
the tape.
Yeah, let's rewind it. Go back.
This is how great this cereal is to me. Well, I guess I liked it.
Yeah.
But anyway, we're gonna try this cereal. I cannot wait to get in it. I'm excited, so let's crack this box.
How are you guys doing today? I didn't get to ask you guys last week's video.
I'm messing up. I'm not the box master no more.
How was you guys' day? Comment down below. How was your day? I like to get this time when he's opening this cereal to really understand how you guys are doing. To you guys too. How are you guys doing? I'm not gonna leave you guys out.
It smells chocolatey and cinnamonty. Cinnamonty.
Also, guys, you all can record videos of yourself trying all the cereals we have tried before and send them in to our Instagram, Facebook, or our email at
all the information will be across the screen.
Usually it starts with sweet or something, or cereal. I didn't even get to smell it. You didn't let me smell it. It smells like chocolate. It smells like, oh my god, I have water.
Keep water in your bowl.
It smells like,
I dropped mine out.
The cocoa pebbles, not the cocoa pebbles, but
look
cocoa
Look how much chocolate and stuff is on this. Oh my God! Show them one of them. Show them one of them. Let me show you one. No, my goodness.
I'm not even sure about it. I have to put the hand in first.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
It's like cinnamon and chocolate.
Oh.
It's a perfect snack.
Yeah. Oh, it's crunchy too.
Mm-hmm.
Let me put the milk in here. Oh my goodness. I have to look at mine. Oh. I almost want to slap this table. I tell you. All right, General Mills. You did something with this. Okay. So, to my family who is eating churros in real life, go. Sweet CK Mom and I ventured to Miami, Florida. Found what they told us was the best churro place ever. It's about 9 o'clock at night. We grab some churros, and when they give you the churros, they have this chocolate. Just dip the churro in chocolate, eat churro.
That's what y'all do.
Dip the churro in.
When y'all leave without us.
Oh yeah, that's what we do. We get it in.
I had to make homemade churros.
You ain't got it. Well. Anyway.
With Hershey syrup.
We dip the churro in churro. It almost tastes just like that. That's the point of all of this. It definitely gives you it's a blast of chocolate. But under that chocolate is the sweet cinnamon taste that Cinnamon Toast Crunch is known for. I mean, it's a really good blend. Anyway, taste.
4.
I'm gonna go with 4. What about crunch?
5.
Yeah, I'm still crunch. I mean, because of that churro, it's really crunchy. Recommend?
I'm gonna give it a 4.
I'm gonna give it a 5. I think you should go get it. You like chocolate? You like cinnamon? You like sugar? You like churros? Go get you a box. Why are you playing around? Why don't you have a box now?
Right.
You should have saw the video, paused the video, ran to the store,
Right.
found this cereal,
Right.
sat back down,
Right.
unpaused the video,
Right.
and then ate you some cereal
Right.
with me.
Amen.
You should, hey!
Speak it then.
You should be eating cereal.
I don't know what you're doing.
I don't know what you're doing with your life. If you're not eating cereal when we review cereal, I don't know what you're doing.
You're right.
What are you doing?
If you're not eating cereal and then sending us the videos of you trying the cereal, what are you doing?
You ain't even trying to live. Anyway, my name is Jack.
My name is Chris.
I just bit my tongue. and we are the Sweet Cereal Killers. And we out. Peace.
Bye.